Okay, we're looking at straight line graphs now, and there's something you would have seen before. Y equals mx plus c. Now then, the m, for reasons best known to someone else, because I certainly don't know them, is that m stands for gradient, and c, it stands for constant, is the y-intercept. So what we're looking at here is that the coefficient of x, the number next to x, or the number multiplied by x, is the gradient, and the number on its own, the constant, the non-variable, whatever you want to call it, that's the y-intercept. So here, on y equals 5x minus 3, the gradient is 5, because that's the coefficient of x, and the y-intercept is, where is it? And I'm going to do this as a coordinate, so every coordinate on the y-axis is 0 something, so 0, -3. Right, now the second one's a little bit trickier because it's not in the form y equals mx plus c, so I'm going to have to get it into the form y equals mx plus c by rearranging it. Now that means I need to take away 3x from both sides, or subtract 3x from both sides, so I get 2y equals 10 subtract 3x. Alright, I'm just balancing up. I don't want two y's, I want one y, so I'm going to divide through by 2. Now I'm going to leave this as a fraction. If you put it as 1.5, that's fine, but I tend to leave things as fractions, mainly because when the fraction isn't quite so nice, it's nicer and more accurate actually to leave it as a fraction. So the gradient in this case is going to be the number next to x, or the coefficient of x, so that's minus 3/2, and the y-intercept, see if I can write it a bit better this time. Oh, I can, look at that, isn't that nice? It's going to be 0, and the number on its own, 5. Alright, so just be careful. Get every equation in the form y equals mx plus c, and that's really, really easy to read off.